We're here in Phoenix at Truck Access Plus. We're going to compare the two different styles of hard folding and a soft truck bed cover today. Here on this Ram Rebel, we're going to look at the hard folding backflip MX4. So you can see it's an aluminum cover and you get full bed access with this one. So it has those bump stops there. That way when you flip it up all the way, it leans up against those rubber pads, doesn't make any noise or scratch the paint. You can use these prop rods and actually stand the cover open. So this gives you a little better peace of mind from being hard. But the soft covers are great too. Let's check one out on this GMC. So we did a Truxedo Truck Sport. It's a soft roll-up cover. You push a latch down on each side and it rolls right up. So this cover also gives you the full bed access. You can leave this one open all the way if you'd like to. So both of these styles secure the bed and protect your cargo from the weather. They're just different options. Come see the differences in person in our showroom in Phoenix or shop online with us. Truck Access Plus.